Blessings, people. Alex here. Well, my prayers go out to all of those affected in the floods in Montego Bay. It's really sad. Persons have lost a lot. Last time I checked, losses were up in the millions. As you can see from the videos, persons' cars being washed away and all of that. That's persons' livelihood, shops being flooded. But this was in the making, because we keep flooding, we keep dumping and blocking the drains. You understand? And when the drains are blocked, we same one keep calling on politicians that drains are blocked and they need to be fixed. We need to take things in our own hands sometimes, because it's for our own safety and for our own well-being. The politicians that we've been calling to, they're same place. They are not affected by what is happening in Montego Bay. You understand? So we need to really look at this and take this as a lesson. And at the same time, those persons who are spiritually inclined, they need to pray for Montego Bay. Violence was affecting Montego Bay the other day. Now, this is actually natural disaster. Could be said it's the work of God punishing those who are wicked in Montego Bay. I'm not really thinking it's that. The rain could have fallen and flooding happened. But you see, with clogged drainages all over the world, this is a leading problem for flooding when drainages are clogged. You understand? Drains need to be cleaned, and we can't wait for politicians to clean. We drain them. In the first place, we don't need to dump and a litter the place, the thing them wash for them in the drain and block up the drain and all of that. This is what it leads to. You understand? So I'm really sorry for those persons affected, and my condolences to, if anyone had lost their lives through all of this, my condolences.